the Trident EX8 Extractor. At the front of the extractor, you'll notice two accessory ports, one for the solution and the other for the vacuum. With the machine tilted back, you have access to the brush. To remove the brush, reach inside the shoe, grab the brush, and pull down from the bearing side. To adjust the brush height, turn your brush on, then lower the adjustment handle notch by notch until you hear the brush touch the carpet. Lower the brush one notch further and it's set. The EX8 is designed so that the vac shoe and brush operate independently. If the vac shoe was rigid, you'd probably catch the highs but miss the lows, which would lead to streaking due to inconsistent dry times. The solution jets are easy to remove, clean, and maintain. Slightly push up on the jet and give it a quick quarter turn. The jet should come right out. Remember, when maintaining the jets, don't use drill bits, paper clips, or any other sharp objects to clean them. Doing so can distort the jet and lead to streaking in the carpet and undesirable results. Instead, let them sit in hot water or Hillyard Nutri-Rinse diluted at 2 ounces per gallon of water overnight. The EX8 has an 8-gallon solution tank. To access the solution tank, simply remove the recovery tank. The EX8 extractor comes equipped with a solution fill hose. It's important to remember not to leave the extractor unattended when filling. Before operating the extractor, be sure that the tab on the lid is in line with the notch on the tank. This ensures proper, safe operation of the extractor. When you're in the operator's position using the extractor, you should see water coming up through the right port, depositing into the recovery tank. The left port has an automatic shutoff device. If the water or foam levels get too high, it will shut off the flow to the vacuum motor. This filter should be cleaned regularly. If you see water coming up through the left port, shut down the vacuum motor, clear any obstructions, then resume operation. To drain the tank, position the extractor near a drain, locate the recovery drain hose on the back of the machine, open the yellow cap, and drain the recovery water. After cleaning, leave the tanks uncovered so that they can dry thoroughly during storage. The control panel on the EX8 has on-off switches for the brush, solution, and vacuum. There's a momentary solution switch as well. When you press and hold the switch, it sprays the solution. Let go and the solution stops. The breakers are also located on the control panel. The handle on the EX8 can be adjusted to accommodate varying operator heights. The Trident EX8 Extractor by Hillyard. Better built, better equipment.